In 1998, East and Southeast Asia were in the grip of a financial crisis. It was during this time, when many businesses were plagued by uncertainty and change, that a small group of entrepreneurs saw opportunities instead. At a time when the internet was in its infancy and the notion of online shopping still in its gestation, these entrepreneurs decided to start their own brand of e-commerce, an endeavor that eventually grew in scope and vision to become the QI Group. Dato Sri Vijay Easwaran is an Asian entrepreneur and an executive chairman of Chi Group Companies, founder of QNet Company. He is a successful businessman, a best-selling author, and a speaker. Joseph Bismarck is the managing director of QI Group of Companies and the co-founder of QNet. Dato Vijay Easwaran had invited for the World Economy Forum as a guest speaker since 2011 to 2019. Also, he is 48 Heroes of Philanthropy show is Forbes magazine. This is the certification that QI company is partnered with United Nations. QI has their own university named as Quest International University in Perak, Malaysia. The QI Group was a proud sponsor of the 2019 ASEAN Community Leadership and Partnership Forum, Building Partnerships for a Sustainable and Inclusive ASEAN, held in conjunction with the 34th ASEAN Summit, in partnership with the Kingsley Strategic Institute (KSI), a leading Malaysian think tank. QNet is a leading e-commerce-based direct-selling business, offering a wide range of health, wellness and lifestyle products to customers around the world. The headquarters in Hong Kong and Malaysia and more than 50 offices in the world. The partnership between QNet and the Marussia Formula One team was a momentous evolution of QNet's support of worldwide sport, particularly motorsport. Virgin Racing, headed by Sir Richard Branson, is a brand known as much for its think outside the box and entrepreneurial spirit as that of QNet's independent representatives. Manchester City has extended its partnership with Asian direct selling company QNet that will take the relationship to 10 years. And recently QNet sponsorship for Manchester for female team. QNet has signed up with yet another sports partner. This time, the partnership is with Football Club Goa in India as the team's official direct selling partner. This partnership will span the duration of the Indian Super League 2015 season that kicks off in October 2015. The QNet Asian Champions Trophy 2016 brought together 6 teams from across Asia to battle for the coveted title. India, China, Korea, Japan, Malaysia and defending champions Pakistan brought their A game to the championship. Also partner with International Police. Tennis ace Martina Hingis is QNet brand ambassador, the former women's world #1 tennis star, Martina Hingis. She was officially introduced to thousands of jubilant QNet members at the annual V Convention UAE 2015 held at the Hamdan Sports Complex here. She will be wearing the QNet logo on her attire during all her tennis tournaments as well as endorsing various products marketed by QNet. The another QNet brand ambassador, Matian Muralitharan, the world record of 800 wickets from his final test match. QNet is ecstatic to announce our new sponsorship deal with the amazing Ivorian Olympic Taekwondo champion, and QNet brand ambassador, Cheikh Cisse. Cisse represented Ivory Coast at the 2016 Summer Olympics in Rio de Janeiro in the men's 80 kg. He won the gold medal and gave to Ivory Coast the first ever Olympic title for the country. Respected to for QNet, honor role as industry membership with Direct Selling Associations of Malaysia (DSAM), Direct Selling Association of Singapore (DSAS), Direct Selling Association of the Philippines (DSAP), Business Ethics Institute of Malaysia (BIME), Hong Kong Health Food Association (HKHFA). QNet Achievers exclusive incentive trip by our own private jet. QNet Achievers gathered in London to celebrate their well-deserved success. Soaring through ranks in QNet is not an easy feat. It requires excellent leadership skills, a passion for helping others, tireless hard work, endless persistence and of course, insane amounts of commitment. The V is global training, network marketing and development company with its headquarters in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It provides support services to its growing global market by upholding the principles of rhythm, self-development, integrity, empowerment and team building. The V aims to provide customized professional network development, management, training and support to its clients worldwide. It conceptualizes, organizes, and manages network development activities through training, events, and strategic communication on a worldwide scale. The Vision is a program that supports partners all over the world, study future plans and provide the opportunity for its partners to exercise network marketing in the right way, and bestow each partner to ability to reach its objectives. QNet's founders are profoundly inspired by the life and work of Gandhi, a great leader, humanitarian and activist. The teachings of Gandhi laid the foundation for rhythm, raise yourself to help mankind. The idea of empowering others to succeed in order to be successful lies at the core of our business. We advocate the concept of in-service as an important characteristic of leadership. Our founders have instilled a very strong culture of service above self, in both the employees and the network. We believe that serving others with humility is the true hallmark of a leader. Here are some pictures where our company and cooperate of QNet take the responsibility in supporting the society. Bollywood superstar and producer Anil Kapoor had once again graced the V Malaysia and V Dubai. Kapoor gave an inspiring speech about his journey to success, stressing the importance of hard work, mental and physical well-being, and the ability to learn from your mistakes. A 20,000 strong went absolutely wild as Vivek Oberoi made a surprise visit to the biggest ever event in QNet history, V Malaysia 2017. Appearing at the VCon stage for the second time, Vivek said coming to VCon 17 felt like a homecoming as QNet is his family. Muniba Mazari, Pakistani artist, model, activist, motivational speaker, singer, and television host. Muniba was named one of BBC's 100 Most Inspirational Women in 2015 and featured in Forbes 30 Under 30 the following year. Sparsh Shahi is a 16-year-old singer, songwriter, rapper and an inspirational speaker. He was born with an incurable disease called osteogenesis imperfecta, brittle bones. He said, "I have had more than 135 fractures and multiple rod surgeries so far in my life and God knows how many more are yet to come. But that does not stop me from following my dreams and pursuing my passion. I aspire to sing in front of 1 billion people one day." It was an absolute honor to be a part of the V family. I am blessed to share the stage as well as precious moments of my life with you, Dato Shri Vijay Ishwaran.